Your digital consultants is sponsoring this video, and if you want everything I'm about to talk about already done for you, check the description and bio for the YouTube automation bundle. The link is right there, https://beckman1.gumroad.com/L/YouTube automation use code T3G9TPX for 25% off. Now let's talk about YouTube automation, because this is one of the most underrated ways to build passive income online right now. Here's the concept. You build a YouTube channel that makes money without ever showing your face, recording your voice, or being on camera. You use a system, a team, AI tools, and you run it like a business. Most people think YouTube is only for people who want to be influencers. That's not true. Some of the biggest earning channels on YouTube have no face, no personality, no brand, just a system that produces content, ranks on search, and generates ad revenue every single month, whether the owner is working or not. That is YouTube automation. So how does it actually work? Step 1. You pick a niche. And this is the most important decision you will make. The niche determines your RPM, which is how much advertisers pay you per 1,000 views. Finance channels can earn $15 to $20 per 1,000 views. Entertainment channels might earn 2 or 3. Pick a niche with high advertiser demand. Finance, business, luxury, real estate, psychology, true crime, history. These niches pay well and have audiences that watch for a long time. Step 2. You research keywords before you make a single video. Every video you publish needs to target a specific search term. People need to be actively searching for what your video is about. This is how you get views without a following. You rank on search. You show up in suggested. You let the algorithm work for you instead of against you. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ will show you search volume and competition scores for any keyword. Use them. They have free tiers. Step 3. You create the content without doing it yourself. A scriptwriter writes the script. An AI voiceover tool or a hired voice actor reads it. A video editor sources stock footage, syncs the audio, adds music and captions and text overlays. A thumbnail designer creates the click. You manage the process. You choose the topics. You review the output. You don't touch a camera once. The startup cost for this is lower than most people think. You can start with almost nothing using free tools. ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs free tier for voiceover, CapCut for editing, Canva for thumbnails. A realistic starting budget is $75 to $150 a month once you're ready to scale with hired help. Step 4. You optimize everything for search. Your title includes the keyword. Your description puts the keyword in the first 2 sentences. Your thumbnail is bold, high contrast, and readable at a tiny size. Your upload schedule is consistent, and your first 48 hours of engagement, the comments, the likes, the watch time, tell the algorithm whether to push your video or bury it. Step 5. You monetize from multiple streams. AdSense gets activated at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's your baseline. But you layer on top of it affiliate links in every description from day one, brand sponsorships. Once you hit 10,000 subscribers, digital products, channel memberships. The channels that scale to $10,000 a month aren't relying on AdSense alone. They have 3 or 4 revenue streams working simultaneously. Now let's talk about what realistic looks like. Month 1 to 3, you're publishing consistently, building your library, getting no revenue. This is the hardest part. Most people quit here. Don't. Month 4 to 6, you hit monetization. You start seeing AdSense income, anywhere from $50 to $300 a month, depending on your niche and your views. Month 7 to 12, AdSense is growing. Affiliates are adding another 100 to 500 a month. And if you've been consistent, you're looking at $500 to $2,000 a month combined. Year 2, the channels that didn't quit in month 2 are doing $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Some are doing much more. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a business. It takes 90 to 180 days to get real traction. But the upside is that once a video ranks, it keeps earning. Every week, every month, without you doing anything else. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, and share for more.